What's up everyone, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and these are the 4 reasons to buy the new Nokia 3.1. Now the first reason to buy this phone would be the brand. Now if you're a die-hard fan of the Nokia brand and you just want to buy a Nokia phone, then this is probably a huge reason to buy this phone. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the design and build. Now there isn't anything fancy going on just from the looks. It has a regular plastic back panel with an aluminum frame at the center with diamond cut edges. But the phone fits comfortably in the hand and feels great. One thing's for sure, Nokia does know how to build solid phones. So if you're looking for a phone with a small form factor and a solid build, you can consider this phone. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the Android One program. Almost all the new Nokia phones launched in 2018 are under Android One program and will get regular security and software updates for the next 2 years. So if you like stock Android and want regular software updates, then that's another reason to get this phone. Now the final reason would be the entire package. Now if you're looking for a phone with a smaller footprint that fits comfortably in the hand with a very good build and stock Android, then this is probably the only choice you have in this price segment. Now coming to other good things about this phone, it comes with pure stock Android, so it's pretty light and pretty responsive, and also comes with a dedicated SD card slot. So even though this phone has just 16 GB of storage, you really don't have to worry about storage for this phone. So guys, those were the 4 reasons to buy this phone along with some good things. Now with all that said, I would still recommend you not to buy this phone and consider other phones like Realme 1, Redmi Y2 or even the Redmi Note 5. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.